Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox an enclosure to put in your desktop PC, or it also fits in other PCs. It depends. If you have space for a floppy drive, then you can insert this. This is a hot swap bay for SATAs. Two SATAs that fits into into a desktop PC. So we are going to check it out. I'm going to unbox it. I hope I am right. Yes, everything should be inside of it. Yeah, this is the box. It calls OImaster, and it has two hot swappable SATA slides for a SATA SSD or a hard drive disk also. And this is the box. It comes from China. I think I ordered it from AliExpress, or how do you call it. So this is a box. It's quite common. I think it's a cheap box. So this is what it calls: dual 2.5 inch SATA HDD mobile rack. Yes. Voilà, so this is in the box. You see here some manual. That's that. And then SATA cables. This is important if you order something. Make sure that you also have SATA cables. And then here you have the screws and also the key. The look key, but it's not a specialized key. It's very common. You can buy that everywhere. Such a key. It's quite common. And this is the enclosure. So here you can open the hot swap base, and voila, here are the hot swap base insider. And then yes, you have here the connectors and stuff like that. So it is metal. I like that. You know why? Because metal has a better cooling efficiency than the plastic. So yeah, if you use plastic, then the cooling will be less. But the advantage of SSDs in 2.5 inch format is that they never got hot almost. So you also have a light here in the front of it. I also want to tell you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we are giving away nice prizes. Subscribing is completely free. We randomly pick people and they will get a free laptop, free Bluetooth stuff, free computer stuff, smartphones. There is an entire list. Just hit the subscribe button and we randomly pick people, so you have nothing to lose. Just hit the subscribe button and then voila. Yes, this is it. So I hope you like the video. If you like this video and you hit the like button, then you can get more of these content. So then you will get in front of things. So hit the like button. The manual, I think it's in Chinese and English. That's the most common for that country if you buy something from China. Voila, you see it. It's in English. The one side is in English and the other side in Chinese. Sorry. So voila. I hope you liked it, and I see you for the next time for my other videos. I create many of these videos, so don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also check out my other videos. And I want to thank you all, to the viewers, for this nice thing. Sorry for the mess on my table. I'm a busy man. If I have to do it away, I will have to put it back later and things like that. So my table is always a little bit of messy. But I will go to work on that in a later time. So anyway, I see you. Bye bye.